All right guys, so it's the next day now. I didn't beautify the wire yet. I just want to check everything, put a little bit of tape on these stuff that are not connected yet so it doesn't mess up anything. I need just these two guys, so I'm gonna connect everything and see if I can get the unit to turn on. I got a good idea, guys. So I bought these two connections here from Amazon, so I need these two guys for the speakers and ground and a few others, so that way it's easier to connect, so I don't have to splice any of these things. So I bought two sets. This is gonna go right here and that guy is gonna go right there. So you see these three bottom cables, the blue, the green, and the black, and the white and the black stripe. I'm gonna need those two. Rather than trying to splice them, I have another connector I can use. Just use that for the illumination, key on or accessories, and I forgot what the other one is. So let me grab the other connector. I'll show you guys what I'm trying to say. So guys, I'm gonna use this connector right here. I'm gonna depen this to make sure it doesn't get confused, because it plugs right away in here. See, then I can use the connection that I need. This is what I use when I depen. Use the link down below so you guys can check it out. So let's take all these pins out. Each of these has a little clip. What you're trying to do, so it's lift the clip and you should be able to pull out the pin. So you do the same thing on the next one. There you go. See how easy it is? Okay, I got all of them out. Now what we're going to do, guys, is the red one is gonna stay. We're gonna depen the yellow and the orange. So let's depen them from here. It's right here. All right, got the orange. Now the yellow. Okay, got it. So we're gonna use this guy here. Let's go to the car and double check these guys, okay? I'm gonna cut these guys off. I probably won't need them at all. I only need these two cables right here. I got my connector. First, let's connect the other two guys. Connect. Okay. Now I'm gonna get the illumination and the AC from here. So let me double check, get my light tester, find a decent ground. There's a metal piece right here. So let me show you guys. Can you see? Okay, so this gave me 11. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. There you go. So now if I turn off the key, hold on. Okay, it goes out. So that means that's my AC right there for the radio. Now I need to find I think I have an idea already. So this is a constant. I'm not gonna use this guy. This I think is illumination. Turn it off. Okay, radio goes out. Illumination. Turn it back on. I got power. So I got it right here, guys. Now take this connector right here, connect this guy, and then this is my illumination. So my illumination, I'm pretty sure is going right in the second slot right here. And then my ACC, there we go, connected. Now we connect this guy. So this is connected, guys. Let's test it. Okay guys, are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? It's connected, so I'm gonna turn on the key now. See what we get. All right guys, I was so excited to turn it on, but I just realized something. I just found out why it's not turning on. So I'm gonna try to show you too, guys. So you see where this red is on this plug, and on the one that comes into the car, it's in this corner. So basically I need to move this red right here, guys, to this corner right there. Okay, so that's easier now. I'm gonna go and depen it like I do the other one. So the red one is over here. Find a little clip. There you go, got it. Plug this guy in. Okay, so it goes on this part right here. So let's plug. Let me take it out first. Plug it in. Okay, it's in. Now let's connect this guy back here. Okay, looks good. Let's test it again. Keys. I'm excited and scared at the same time. I shouldn't be scared. All right, guys, I'm gonna plug it in. Okay, it's plugged in. Let's turn on the key. Yes, it's on. Yes. It's on, guys. Can you see how beautiful this looks? Guys, that's gonna look so good. Yeah, buddy. I got it to work the way I wanted to have it to work. I'm so excited. This is nice. Oh, guys, look how nice this looks. There's usually a video in here. Oh, there's no video in here. That looks really good. We got a sound. Let me see if I can connect the antenna. All right, guys, enough music. I don't want to get too much in trouble. I'm just gonna give you that quick snipping, but speakers are working. Really happy about it. So I'm gonna do a quick fader, left, right, front, back, just to make sure everything works. Go and do that now. Okay, guys, so this is working and I'm really happy about it. I was able to do without really cutting too many of the wires, which is genius. So anyway, guys, let's start unplugging everything, trying to get the the bracket set up properly. The radio is working. That's a big plus for me. First thing we're gonna do, unplug this, make the cable look nicer. All right, let's go. Okay, guys, cables are ready. All right, guys, as you know, I already ran the wire for the reverse camera, so we're gonna use this connector right here to give it power when we put it in reverse. I'm gonna use bullet connectors. I like bullet connectors. The next one is gonna be on this cable right here. Okay, now we clamp it. Sure it doesn't come out. Looks good. Right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna shrink wrap them. Let me grab my heat gun. All right, looks good. See, guys, now we're gonna do the same thing for this one. All right, look good, guys. I'm gonna put a little bit of soldering in this guy right here too. I just need a tiny bit of soldering, okay? That's it, see? Now we can take this thing out of the car and work on the bracket. All right, guys, so what I'm doing is just putting back the, installing back the brackets. All right, guys, so I attach the brackets. Now let's see how it looks. There you go. I don't know if you can see what I did. Take a look. Same thing on the other side. So let's test it to see how it looks. Okay, not too bad. Let's put this guy in. Okay, I see what I did wrong. All right, I gotta make some adjustment. Let me do that right now. So basically these holes, these need to go on the inside. So let me flip these guys around. Okay, all right guys, let's try this again, see how it looks now. I like it so far. Okay, everything needs to come forward a little bit. Okay, okay guys, I didn't bore you guys with all the adjusting, moving, adjusting, moving, adjusting, moving. So far this is the final project that I got. So I don't know if you can see all the markings I made, just so I can try to line it up. There's not a lot of room to see how to mark it up, so I think I did an okay job. So this is, hopefully it's the last time, so the screen is gonna stay like that. So let's try it and put it in and see. Okay, now and then we're gonna put this guy over here. Oh yes, this is great. You guys see, I got a really nice going on. So once I put this thing out, guys, that looks so good. Now what I gotta figure out, guys, how to mount the AC unit into it. We got some more work to do, guys. Let's go. All right guys, as you can see, I already put this unit in. I need to put the temperature gauge. I'm gonna put it down below. See right here, it doesn't quite fit, so I'm gonna shave on each side a little bit. There's some extra room right here where the screw is. I can go all the way up to where the screw is. We're gonna shave this whole thing right here just so I can make it fit. It's gonna look nice. You guys will see. So I took it apart, guys. I got my Dremel. So all I'm gonna do is just start shaving a little bit of it. Let's go. Okay guys, so I shave a lot of this on both sides. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So let me show you, basically everything where the screw is has been shaved, so you guys can see the difference where I shaved off. So this part was all the way up here, so I have to shave the same thing on the back here and on the other side. So far it's fitting really well, guys. So now I just gotta shave this off too. I'm gonna use my Dremel and cut right here, right there. Okay, let's go. Don't worry about this opening. All right guys, there you go. So let's test it in the car, show you what it looks like.